folks, as you've probably seen, I pretty much rough cut a few of these pipes with the... It doesn't really cut straight when you don't even know which direction you're cutting. I cut them 18 inches because I only need around 16 and a half, but I want to cut some angles in it so I can get some play. But what I'm trying to do is figure out how wide of a... What was I going to say? Anyway, I'll put this down. I have to set the angle so that these are like this. Basically, on the bottom, figure out how many degrees it is. So that I can cut the angles on the bottom and lop all the bottom pieces off and get all the angles straight. So yeah, and then I'm going to put a bottom brace in here and put the flat bottoms on. So it's going to be a pain in the ass. So, and this... I'll lower the camera and I'll show you. Oh wait, I keep putting the wrong knob. There we go. Basically, this is the bottom plate. And this has to go here and here. On like that, on an angle. What angle? I have no idea. Probably going to figure it out in a little while. But I will probably draw a template on here and use some magnets and block it all up. Get it to work that way. So, ta-da! That'll be my next video. Till then, stay tuned and we'll finish the bench. Eventually it'll get done.